I'm gonna teach you how to make a fortune teller. And you need this, scissors, and crayons, or whatever you can write with. So, the first thing you do is you do this. Then it would look like this. Then you take this part, you fold it down, then it would look like this. So then you cut that part. And then you open it up and it would look like this. So then you take the point end and fold it a little bit to that side and do it straight to the line and do the rest the same thing. Then after you do that, it would look like this. Then you do the other side and do the same thing. Now look, all folded up like this. Like this. Be all to that side, just like this. Then this side will have these openings. So then you fold it into 4 pieces. It would look like one, like this. Hold on. One whole thing like this. Just make sure all the ends are there. And you open it up, and it'll have all these and these. You take this, you can fill it in, or put different colors in each one. And then the triangle parts, you put numbers in. Then the openings, you put words in. So then you take these two, put your thumb, these two, in this. And then you do this. And then you put these two in the other side. Then you made one. So now all you have to do is just fill it up. Bye!